Khonani ya tsini ya Senzo Meyiwa ane ya Tumelo Madlala okono sumba muhwelelwa vhuvhili ane ya Bongani Ntanzi samua vhathu vha dzhenelaho ngomu nduni nga duvha le Meyiwa a vhulawa ngalo. Madlala we bvela phanda no nekedza vhutanzi hawe khothe khulwane ya Pretoria. O amba uri Ntanzi ndi ene we Meyiwa a kwanya na luvondo vhusiku ha tshiwo tshenetshi ngei Flores nga ṅwaha gidi-mbili-fumi-ina.
Mr. Madlala, if you can perhaps state or inform the court who is this person that made you uncomfortable?
It's blue, it's green.
Yes, this man with the blue t-shirt or green t-shirt. He's the one that was held by Senzo. Sorry? He's the one who had the cut beard that was cut or shaved.
The defense raised in objection for the identification of the accused from the dock because it doesn't hold weight, Your Lordship. Moreover, there was no identification parade.
Ngathi mina if bangabewa lapha ngabantu abenza lento ngaba able ukuthi ngimkhombe.
What I remember having said, my lord, was that if the people who committed this were to be put or placed in front of me, I'll be able to point him out.
I put it to you that you people in the house, after Longwe came in, you had an argument and there was a commotion amongst you people in the house.
Akaze kukhulunywe next nje ngoba wangina wahlala eduze kwakazana wakhuluma nozana akaze kuphikiswana akaze kwenzeke lutho.
As you testified yesterday, he was speaking to Zandi, and as I put it to you today, that Senzo had a relationship with Zandi as well as Kelly at the same time, and Longo was not happy with that.
I know nothing about that. I don't know about that.
So you agree with me that Longo ran out after the farm was taken away from him? That's what I'm putting to you. Now you agree that Longo ran out?
Those are lies.